Hello everybody and welcome back to the Cheryl Technology channel. Have I got a treat for you today? Today we are going to be looking at a friend of mine. We're not looking at my friend, but we're going to look at a USB drive that he offers on his web store. All links will be in the description. He basically does a lot of videos on YouTube. He is an administrator, I believe, at a hospital and a systems admin. So he does networking systems, all kinds of stuff. And he has really ventured out into some interesting territory. There is this flash drive you're about to see. Let me just show you the flash drive itself. So it's right here, Ventoy. So it's 9.3 gigs free. So he's got a ton of images on this thing, or ISO files. And we're going to take a look at it here in just a sec. So basically he sent me one and he said, hey, do a review on this USB flash drive. I said, okay, cool, I'll do that. So far, I have had zero issues with it. It works perfectly the way it's supposed to. And I'm telling you people, that is all you can ask for. You cannot ask for anything more than it to work. In this video, I have already created a virtual machine, but we're going to create a new one. So in this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. And please, please, please visit my friend's web store, the IT Unicorn Damien himself, over on YouTube. Visit his store and I will provide you all the links you need. Let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is, this is Vmware Workstation Player 17, by the way. First thing we're going to do is create a new virtual machine. This is where it gets interesting. So you saw the flash drive here. So I'm basically going to teach you several ways to do this. The drive we were looking for is E. So let's go to Installer Disk Image, Browse, and you can see E is selected right here on the side. If you can't get to it, go to this PC and double click on it. And here are all the things. I already know which one I'm going to do. Let's do Manjaro Gnome. I love Manjaro. Zorin is excellent too, but we're going to do Manjaro. Okay, so now what it's going to do is it's going to look at this file. Now, I don't unplug it. I keep it plugged in. We're going to do Linux, and I believe Manjaro is built on, so it's Arch. I don't see an Arch here, so we're just going to go down all the way to the bottom. Wait, did that say Manjaro? Oh, it's Mandriva. Oh, dead blame it. We're going to do this one right here. This looks like a good one. Click next, and then we're going to call it Manjaro. We're going to go next. I'm going to store it on a single disk because we don't really care. I mean, memory's 768. Okay, we're going to increase. Well, we'll deal with that later. Then finish. And then what we're going to do is we're going to boot this thing up. We're just going to play, and then it's going to go through all the process of doing everything. Okay, yeah, boot with open source driver. Sounds good to me. So we're doing basically a functioning live image. So you're basically running it off of the flash drive, which is not a bad thing to do. I don't know if I've got it plugged into a USB 3.0. Oh yeah, that'll slow things down. Okay, so, but basically, let's see, what in the world? What just happened? Oh, it's failing to mount it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna shut this thing down. Okay, let's open this back up. Edit virtual machine setting. Here we go. We'll give this thing like 4 gig of RAM. That should be better. Here you go, y'all. So we selected proprietary. It failed on the open source driver. So let's see if it'll do it on the, and it's Control-Alt to release your mouse. See, once you click inside the window, you have to click Control-Alt, get out. Let's see if this will actually work proprietary drivers, because sometimes I know that you have to have the proprietary drivers in a Linux system. Like I run an NVIDIA GPU, so you'd have to select, yep, there you go. So you have to run the proprietary drivers, and we're going to wait. And so I'll talk to you a little bit while this is happening. So basically what it's doing is it's sort of like you're installing it, but you're not. You're running it off the flash drive. That's exactly the same way installing an operating system works, except you're running it off of the hard drive you install it to rather than a flash drive. It's actually quite nice, man. It's pretty cool. Here, we're going to go into full screen mode, y'all. Let's just do that. There we go. Then we're going to unpin that. So now you can see right here. So this is the installer. So we're not going to run it as the installer. So that is a cool background. So basically this is running live off of the flash drive. And I got to say, y'all, like I have worked with this kind of stuff a lot, and this is actually really fast. Let's see how fast it loads that. Okay, that was pretty quick. That was quick. And I highly recommend, and I guess that's the end of the video, I highly recommend that you go to his channel, his YouTube channel, which I'll provide links for all that in the description, and check out a lot of his videos. He has some of the most interesting, cool videos in the world. world, dude. They are freaking crazy, some of them. And he just does a really good job of explaining things. He's a great teacher. I've learned a lot from him, and I highly recommend that you check him out. Shout out to IT Unicorn, Damien. Love you, bro. And I guess that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I want you to know that the Lord loves you so very much. You have no idea. And I love you too. And and if you want to talk about that, send a comment down in the comment section, and I will reply to you quickly. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next video, peace.